Let's have a look at how we can draw graphs when we have an equation. So here's an example. We want to draw the graph of y equals 2x minus 3. So we've got 3 steps that we want to carry out. The first one is we're finding a table of values, and so that involves us doing some substitution. So I'm going to take each of these x values, and I'm going to start with this x value here of 0, and I'm going to take each value and substitute it into the equation. So first of all, I'm going to take that x equals 0, and in place of the x, so y equals 2, instead of the x, I'm going to put a 0, take away 3. Now I'm going to work out that answer. So 2 times 0 is 0, 0 take away 3 is negative 3. So that tells me when x is 0, y is negative 3. So on the graph, if I was to plot that, I'm going to go x is 0, y is negative 3. That will take me to this coordinate point right there. Now I'm going to repeat that process with the next coordinate point. So now I'm going to take when x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 times 1, take away 3. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 take away 3 is negative 1. So that tells me when x is 1, y is negative 1. So on my coordinate point, I'm going to go x equals 1, y equals negative 1, and that's going to take me to this coordinate right there. Now we're going to do the next value, and I hope you can start to see the pattern now. So the next point here is when x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 times 2, take away 3. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 take away 3 is 1. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So on my graph, x equals 2, y equals 1, takes me to that coordinate point right there. Now we'll try x equals 3. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 times 3, take away 3. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 take away 3 is 3. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. And on my graph, that's going to be the point right there. One last coordinate to do, and that is when x is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2 times 4 minus 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 take away 3 is 5. So when x is 4, y is 5. So on my graph, that gives me that point there. And hopefully you can see as we've been drawing it, there is a lovely pattern that's starting to form. So what we want to do now is join those points together with a straight line. So that's all I'm going to do, is just draw a line through those points. And there is our graph.